Hey guys, welcome to October 5th. I'm going to walk you through your virtual days. When you click on, you see it's going to be October 5th, October 9th. All of these things are due by October 11th, which is Sunday. Virtual day 1, you have an ed puzzle. What is matter? You're going to go through ClassLink. I'm not going to show you how to do that. You should already know how to do that, but remember, it's PLSD bookmarks. Study jams, this is something new that we have. You're probably going to have a difficult time taking the screenshot and sending it to me. I'm going to do the best I can to let you know how to do that. First things first, study jams, there's no login. You just click on this link and it will take you to the video. You will click on the video, you will watch it, and then you will test yourself to see what you've learned. The way you're going to do that is you are going to take a screenshot of your score. And I'm pretty sure you guys are to do, I think it's like control and then the button above the 6. And that will take a full screenshot and it will save it for you. If I'm wrong, please mark in the comments if it's control or command. I forget because I'm on a MacBook. So you're going to take a screenshot of your score, then you're going to attach it as work. Do not send it to me as an email. Do not send it as an email. I don't want it as an email. You will mark as done. How you attach it to your work is, it doesn't show it for me, but when you click on view assignment, over here will be where it says add material. You would click add, and then you would add your screenshot. Here's the deal. If you don't know how to add it, just make sure you have the screenshot, and I will teach you guys how to do it when you come back on Thursday. Let's see here. Cohort A, I'm going to teach you in class, so you should be fine. And then you have a Pear Deck. Pear Deck you've been doing. You just click here, and then you mark it as done. That is virtual day 1. Virtual day 2, you have an ed puzzle that is assigned through ClassLink, so you're going to click on that. Part 2 for science is for cohort B only. We did not get to finish the last page of our packet, so you will see here that I have set you up. What you're going to do right here in these 3 sections is you will write a sentence explaining your findings for Brawny, for Kroger, and for your school paper towels. Okay, so right here it says write a sentence using your data from the lab. So you would say Brawny paper towel absorbed blank water at blank, or absorbed either the most, the least, or was the middle. Kroger absorbed the most, the least, or just absorbed water, and the school absorbed the most, the least. Okay, and you want to use those type of wording, but make sure you include how much each towel absorbed. Down here, the independent variable, there should be only one thing that changed. It's the one thing that we changed throughout the entire lab. The dependent variable is the result. So you need to tell me what was the result of the lab. And it should just be, I'll give you this one. This is just the amount of water absorbed. Now, there are at least 3, I know of 4 constants in our experiment. And the constants are the things that we kept the same. You need to think, what did we keep the same? Did we keep the paper towels the same? I don't think so, but there were some other things we kept the same, and I want you to list those there. And then finally, your conclusion. This is the hardest part for 5th and 6th graders. So I went ahead and filled this out for you, so you can just copy what I've written, but then fill in the blanks. Was your hypothesis correct or incorrect? So my hypothesis was, and then you're going to say it was, and then correct or incorrect because, and then provide the evidence that you found that made it correct or incorrect. But then all scientists, they reflect, and now I want you to tell me, what would you do next time? What would you like to try to experiment with? Would you like to change the way it was folded? Would you like to try all the same towels? What would you like to do next time? And that is the paper towel lab. You also have 2 more ed puzzles. For social studies, landforms, and weather versus climate. Now, these things here, you may want to take notes on or refer back to for day 3. Day 3, you have a brain pop. It is through brain pop, so you have to go through your ClassLink. Study jams again. This one's about atoms. Same thing. You're going to take a screenshot add it to your materials up here in the top right-hand corner when you click View Assignment, and then you're going to mark it as done. Again, if you don't know how to do that, I will show you on Thursday, Cohort B. Cohort A, I'm going to show you in class how to do that. You do have 2 WISER worksheets. This is where I'm talking to you. You have a landform and a weather versus climate. On these, I have read some things to you. Please make sure you click on the things to listen to me. There will be little play buttons. If you want to take notes during your Edpuzzle, go for it. Those notes could help you for your WISER worksheets. And that is it for your virtual days. We will be doing longitude. We will be doing social studies in class this week. So be prepared for your longitude and latitude. Make sure all your notes are done and you have practiced last week. So if you want to go back to last week's and practice your latitude, longitude, you can do that. All right. See you in school, guys. Have a good week.